Hi, hello, good morning, everyone. I hope you are good. Today is such a nice day. Um, I want to show you what I am practicing every day. Yoga, just like different types of asanas. Let's start with first thing. First asana is Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana is just like breathe. It's called Ardha Chakrasana. Um, After that, Purna Chakrasana. Second thing is Purna Chakrasana. Bend the body full. Relax. And third asana is this thing. I don't know this name. Come friend. Come friend. It's okay. The Agoris will do this asanas. I hope you already know who is Agori. It's very difficult for beginners. By practicing day by day, you can achieve these asanas. And fourth one is Gomukasana. Sit in Padmasana and hold your two hands like that. It's called Gomukasana. You have to do both the sides. And fifth one is Bakasana. If you are in focus, genuinely you will do these asanas. And sixth one is uh, what's, cobra pose. Then relax. What we call crocodile in Sanskrit is Markat. It's Markatasana. It's not Markatasana. Murchakatasana, I think. Seventh one. Balancing the total body with the two hands is not an easy thing. I practice yoga from around 6 to around 5 fifth standard. And then only I get the what balancing on my body. Come closer. And la and final one is Shirshasana. which is commonly known as holding the total body ಅಂದರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸನ. ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಾ. Some agarwis will do these asanas around 4 to 5 hours. I don't know how they will do. And this one called if your body flexible, then only you can do these step. These called powerful asanas. Common people can't do these asanas. And next one, stretching asana. Okay, next we will practice some pranayamas. Come front. Commonly known, those who can control the breathe, they can control the throughout the universe. In yoga, we will say this thing. Let's practice Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka means take the water, breathe fully, and hold it. Hold it to around 50 to 60 seconds, 1 minute around. By doing Kumbhaka, your memory power or your neural system will activate. And Rechaka means exhale the total water, total breathe out and hold it. Don't take breathe. After slowly take the breathe. And then Suryanuloma Viloma and Chandranuloma Viloma. Suryanuloma Viloma means mudras, you know already. Hold like that and close any one nose gently, not forcefully, and take breathe from one nose, one side of nose. It's called Suryanuloma Viloma. And exhale with another side of nose. It's called Suryanuloma Viloma. And another one is called Chandranuloma Viloma. And hold the other side of the nose, and breathe with another side of the nose. Exhale the air with other side of nose. It's called Surya Anuloma Viloma and Chandra Anuloma Viloma. You people might know how to do the meditation. Meditation is not a simple thing. If you are focused, then only you can do the meditation. And I hope you people know that what are all the different type of asanas I showed in this video. If you have interested, like, and thank you everyone. Hare Krishna to everyone. After doing the yoga, take some nuts, just like walnuts, that badam, groundnuts,